Sweaty cup. Today I'm gonna make scrambled eggs for me and my sister.
Okay.
But I'm not using this one.
Let's
I'm
try
using
it.
this.
Okay, let's see how we're gonna make
Wait,
it.
it's, the egg
Eggs.
is gonna be like.
Okay, wait. Okay, here. Let's turn around this and then we
Ah,
can...
this is pretty cold.
Yes. Oh. Ah!
This is pretty cold.
Yes. Oh. Ah! What is that?
Egg.
Huh? Did we drop the egg? ไข่ตก
It did not crack.
Okay, put it in here.
Okay.
อันนี้ไม่ได้ตั้งใจนะ
It's cracked on the
Okay.
chair.
Okay, yeah. I hope you do this. Just open this. Yes. Don't let the shell in there. Don't. Ah. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't. Okay. Don't let the shell get in the bowl.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
It's slimy.
Okay. I'll give you a
It
napkin.
feels
too.
like slime.
Wait.
I'm wiping my hands
Okay, look,
because of that.
อย่าเมื่อกี้ลูกที่หล่นแตกนะคะ
But
Okay.
some people do this with the egg and this.
Okay.
And
Do your way.
do this.
then.
But I like to
Okay.
do this.
Okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, you can put the shell in here. Okay.
It got a little bit on me.
Yeah.
Yeah. But when so here's the egg.
Oh, nice. ไข่
Yo,
Okay. ไข่เข่าอันนี้
was I good at that?
Yeah, you good at it. Okay.
I was
wait.
good at the last part.
Yeah, wait. ทำความสะอาดออก Okay. I'll help you. Let's see.
Yeah. So I'm gonna crack the other one.
Okay.
This time I'm not gonna get the yolk in right there.
เอาบอกว่าเที่ยนี่สิบ่ให้ไข่เหลืองตกออกนอก
Oh.
Okay.
Right.
There. Awesome. เอาหยิบขึ้นมาลูก Okay. Excellent. One more.
I need.
Napkin. คือบ่เนาะพอครัวนี่เนาะ Okay, I think that's good enough. Just try to do one time and okay. Oh, it's over here. Ooh.
Oh,
Okay, you
I got
make
a
it.
shell in there.
Okay, take it out. เขาอยากเค็ดเองด้วยค่ะพ่อพี่น้อง
So now I'm gonna mix it.
Okay. จะใช้อันนี้หรือว่า you want to use this maybe that's faster.
But this can do it.
Yeah. เขาบอกว่าอันนี้ก็
But this is
ไข่ได้
fast.
อันเนี้ย faster ลูก Sorry. Okay.
Is it on?
Yes. Okay. Yeah. See. That's easy, doesn't it? And we put some more milk in there.
Kind of fun.
Okay.
This is kind of fun.
Okay. Okay, go ahead.
I don't want to do it slow with this button. I want to do it fast.
Okay.
So
Okay.
did that sound good?
เล่นกันน้ำเห็ดเป็น
Pretty fun. So all the ingredients for the scrambled eggs is all of them. All of them.
What
even
of
the
them? What is
butter.
it?
All of them means it's, so now I'm gonna use a knife, but always ask parents.
Okay. Okay.
This time I'm gonna be careful.
Okay.
I'm using this sharp one.
Okay.
Here's the sharp one.
Okay. But we have to move over here.
So we're gonna put in this butter, eggs, and cheese.
Okay. Do you like the butter?
Yeah. Do you like all of them, guys? So I'm gonna ask my mom to turn on the stove right there. Look, that's my toy kitchen thingy, but I want to use this.
Yeah. เขาชอบหม้อนี้นะคะหม้อจับได้ของขวัญปีใหม่กับน้าแพมนะคะน่ารักมากลูกชายเขาก็เลยบอกว่าเป็นของเล่นของเขา เขาบอกว่าแม่เอาหม้อตัวนี้มาทำมาใส่ไข่
I wasn't careful.
Okay
It's on.
you're gonna
So
tell
my
them
mother's gonna cut it.
okay
I was careful and I did not get any cuts.
okay and then you're gonna tell them wait until this long
Wait until that is. Oh, that's sliding a little. The butter's my favorite part. I cannot wait to try it. Oh,
Okay.
It's melting.
huh
It's melting.
okay
Always ask parents to pour this in the pan if you want to make scrambled eggs.
okay
So I always ask parents to do that.
oh okay
Ooh, that is good.
wait
3,
okay
2, 1, go. So, but I don't want to hold this. I just want to do this.
okay you can just grab it a lot just see let me help you put it a lot in there what did tell them cheese
That's cheese. That smells like Pluto.
that's a dog
Yeah. My mom is going to cut that, but don't touch the pan when it's on. That seems fun to do, but don't touch
okay
anything on that pan.
and then tell them that my mom gonna pour this in here
My mom is going to put that in.
okay
Ooh, that looks good and yummy.
then okay let's do it
Okay.
we can turn it off okay
So the cheese is already done, but we're going to do it quick.
yeah เพราะว่าไข่จะไหม้เหมือนกับอันแรกๆไข่ยังไม่ไหม้นะคะ แต่ว่าสีปลาโอเคแล้วมันมีเทอร์นิป
Ah,
โอเคนะคะ อันนี้เราก็จะ
that's
ใส่
some good cheese.
นะคะ โอเค อันนี้เป็นอันว่าสุกเรียบร้อยไปแล้วนะคะ
Now so this is the bad part because it's sharp.
โอเค not that sharp โอเค
Yeah. But it's also shiny.
โอเค จะ
Always
ตัดโชว์
ask
ข้างในใช่ไหมลูก
parents. I want it like here.
โอเค
But
Ooh.
that so that is the first one that we made.
อันนี้คืออันแรกที่
But
ทำนะคะ
it's brown.
yeah
And this is the second one that we
Okay.
made. Always ask
เพราะว่า
parents.
มัวแต่แบบว่าฝอยกันอยู่นะคะ ไข่ก็เลยสุกเร็วนะคะ
Ooh, he
โอเค
had.
สิ
They cut it
Ooh.
in really easily
nice
without my parents.
โอเค โอเค
Wow.
that's it tell them
It's
that's it
cheesy.
Were you cooking?
You
Okay.
want some, Dad? Ooh.
cut that one show it okay he's asking you want some okay alright let's show
It's
inside
done.
โอ้น่ากินนะคะเนี่ยน่ากินมากว้าว
Hot.
อ่า
But that's okay.
โอเค ไปชะโอ้ that the cheese โอ้
Mm.